How to start the affiliate marketing in 2024, 8 September 8 to successful affiliate business. How to start the affiliate marketing in 2024 and start successfully affiliate business. Affiliate marketing as an flexible and lyrics an opportunity to earn money online, which is the proper the techniques are techniques and starting you can develop a successful online business with the affiliate marketing is on a team. This is the guide will issued you will essential knowledge and to start your affiliates network marketing journey will show increase into the effective the marketing effort from the selection and a nation setting and up website and the mention promote. What is the affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Type of affiliate marketing, type of payment and affiliate marketing. We should say you start an affiliate marketing. How to start an affiliate marketing? Discuss on your niche. Create an affiliate website. Join an affiliate program, and write an exclusive content and drive and traffic your site. And track your affiliate and companies, boost your income. The learn of affiliate marketing, how much money can you make as an affiliate marketer? What are the best opportunity to help affiliate marketing get start? Make to above on affiliate marketer, how to start affiliate marketer FAQ, frequent asked question. What are the affiliate marketing program and the scan your affiliate marketing niche and affiliate marketing good and good for beginners? How can you start? What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is said model and the people pick as an affiliates program, e-commerce and products and service for it, etc. How does affiliate marketing work? Type of affiliate marketing. Beside on the label access with and product promote hard the three money type of affiliate marketing and the ultimate affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing and inbound affiliate marketing. The untouched affiliate marketing earn the commission by display banner ads and recording to niche, for example fashion blog and game product ad. The relation affiliate marketing process and promote that is the wheel and affiliate marketing recommend for affiliate audience. The invoice and affiliate marketing, research and affiliate marketing and the product. Invoice and marketing, type of payment and affiliate marketing difference. Defense payment and model can offer due to the affiliate marketing, which is your niche and correct and maximum. This is pay per sale, pay per leads, and pay per click. Pay per sale, great reference from the product price and each the person third and affiliate link. Pay per leads, earn commission based and lead conversion from inside. Pay per click, the condition commission based and third and pay per click. Why should you start an affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing in this the show solution and merch in affiliate marketing. Low cost and low risks in the tutorial. How to start an affiliate marketing, decide your niche, create an affiliate website, why I love hacks, and the beginner course and clear. Join an affiliate per program. Join an affiliate partner program with a targeted audience in mind and the platform to state and publisher content is the sign up and affiliate program. The simple race and band with a niche at sea, they offer the high private and affiliate program can this art and network. The cookie period and commission status, brand name and support. Then minimum payout the $100 via PayPal or $500 bank transfer. Commission are issued. There are 30 days money back guarantee and period. There are review on the permission after dashboard, PayPal and others. Write an execution content and drive on traffic and affiliate. Rating, value and contain roles and audience and for affiliate successfully affiliate marketer. Prioritization, connection and given within the art. Product reviews and product concept and then and this. Start an email and this and track and your affiliate marketing campaigns. Boost your income. While the provide step to help start your affiliate marketer and create and optimize the making and the niche in your affiliate income, the running the test and consider great and the example identity, which is the test in your handles, explain and with your image and inside you and optimize your CTA, add your extension, how much money who can make affiliate marketing. They are inside affiliate marketing worldwide. There are 15.7 billion 2024 promoter when business. How to an affiliate in the 55 thousand yearly, which is the 41 lakh. What are the best opportunity help an affiliate marketing start? Choose the affiliate marketing grant and start, and then the Amazon Exos, the Clickbank, CJ Commission Junction, and Impact. The market and above index the affiliate marketers. Conclusion. Thank you very much. Nicely presented. Please subscribe my channel. You like, comment, share.